Let me show you the fastest way to remove a collaborator from an Airtable base to keep your workspace secure and organized. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Start by opening your browser and heading over to Airtable. Once the page loads, click the Login button in the top right corner and sign into your account. You'll then need to navigate to the workspace or base where the user you want to remove currently has access. This could be a team project, a client database, or any shared table you manage. Go ahead and open that base. Now look to the upper right corner of the screen and click the Share button. This opens up the Sharing and Permissions panel for the base you're in. You'll see a list of everyone who currently has access, along with their permission levels. Take a moment to review this list carefully. You want to make sure you're removing the right person, especially if your base has many contributors. Locate the specific user you need to remove. Once you've found them, click on their Permissions or Options menu. This is typically a small drop-down arrow or a three-dot icon next to their name. From the menu that appears, select Remove Access or Remove Collaborator. A confirmation prompt will pop up asking if you're sure you want to proceed. Go ahead and confirm the removal. Airtable saves changes automatically, so there's no need to hit a save button. To be thorough, verify that the user no longer appears in the collaborator list. If they're gone, you're all set. Before you go, keep a couple of tips in mind. Always review user permissions before removing access, especially on active projects, to avoid accidentally locking out someone who still needs to contribute. If the user might return or still needs limited access, consider changing their permission level to read only instead of removing them completely. And make it a habit to audit your collaborator list regularly. This keeps your workspace secure and ensures only the right people have access to your data. That's how you remove a collaborator from an Airtable base quickly and confidently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.